Joe! Cian! Come back! Deliveries!
What? Oh. Well, that was fun. Time to go home.
Joe, aren't you forgetting your deliveries?
That's right. Wait here.
Bye-bye, Goodbye.
Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh?
That bucket has a flower in it.
Flower.
Yes, it does have a flower in it.
Hey, hurry back up.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
Let's love sign. Sand. Sand. You sign. Sand. Good. Sand.
No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Oh, wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're thick.
Too big?
Yeah.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sand castle.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.
Claire, we had to deliver 3 items. A bucket, a spade, and an ice cream.
Let's love sign. Ice cream. Ice cream. You sign. Ice cream. Good. Ice cream.
Would you like some ice cream?
Yes, please.
Oh, wait here. have some ice cream.
Ciao! Fam!
Okay, I think we need some chocolate for the cake. And we need another egg in there as well. What? Will you pour some milk in there for me? Only a little bit, small. Oh, this is my granny's recipe. Your granny is gonna love this. Well, we've had a great day, but it's time to go home.
Yeah.
Bye.
Wait!
Wait. Wait.
We need one more thing for the perfect birthday party.
I'm betting.
Of course, I've one more delivery. A present. Wait here.
A present.
Princess.
Let's love sign. Present. Present. You sign. Present. Good. Present.
Here, a present.
Photo.
Where's the photo?
Don't worry. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Where's Joe?
Ta-da! Look! It's my granny's recipe. Now it's time to hide.
Where is everybody?
Surprise! Happy birthday!
I love you. Oh, yay, surprise. This is the best present ever.
Daddy.
I love you. This Daddy, go.
I love parties. Come on, Ozzy.
We're gonna find some butter. Joe? We need butter.
Ah, my second delivery. Wait here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. So we have to put it into little pieces, and then you're gonna try some. All in. Mix and mix and mix. Isn't it good? Joe, we need some eggs.
wait here.
Takes a bit of time, but then you get really tasty scones. What are you doing? We've got eggs everywhere. Look at all these eggs.
There you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great. It's time to eat. Come on, let's get our ticket. Come on down.
In here.
Shh, I'm the special person. But don't tell anybody.
Two tickets, please.
No.
Why?
Why?
My printer is broken. Look.
Voting.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. One printer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now you can print our tickets for the train.
Don't tell anybody.
Sophie, I got 2 tickets. Come on, everybody.
Welcome.
I have tickets.
No,
Why?
because I can't see.
Why?
Because I don't have my glasses.
Let's love sign. Glasses. Glasses. You sign. Glasses. Good. Glasses.
I can't see.
Wait, I have a delivery for you. Glasses.
No, those glasses are for drinking. Thank you.
We're going on the train. Let's go. Wave at some people. I love the train.
Sophie, what can you see from the train? A tree? A river? I'm tired.
Hello, Joe. I'm Shauna.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Today is going to be a good day. We're going pulling potatoes, and then we're going to sell them.
Aw, I love potatoes. I eat lots of potatoes.
Let's love sign. Potato. Potato. You sign. Potato. Good. Potato.
Aw, this is so exciting. I can't wait to eat this potato.
Stop! We need to cook the potatoes before we eat them.
Oh, I knew that.
Before we touch anything, we need to put on our gardening gloves.
Oh, my first delivery. Wait here. Gloves!
Stop! They're children's gloves.
Oh. Wait here. They fit like a glove. Now.
Stop! We need a fork.
Ah, yes! Wait here.
Joe, that fork is too small. We need a bigger fork.
Ah, don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Let's pull the potatoes. Potato! Oh, stop!
Hands up.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Here comes Joe. Grab the partials now.